Did you understand that you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to 10,000.
Charged with a second-degree felony, Angel Martinez Pacho faces up to 20 years behind bars. His strategy? A no-contest plea. It's a gamble to avoid a formal conviction while accepting the punishment. But with his immigration status in question and a violent charge on the record, the court's mercy has a very sharp edge. You're about to see the exact moment his plea for freedom turns into a mandatory jail stay.
Court is calling 2023 CR 11298. State of Texas versus Angel Martinez Pacheco. If I could have parties announced for the record for the state.
Welcome to the state.
Defense.
Attorney record is Monica Guerrero. Mr. Pacheco, will you give this judge permission for me to do this in place of Ms. Guerrero?
Yes.
All right. And are you Angel Martinez Pacheco?
Yes.
We have an interpreter here today. Could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Arlene Abrams.
All right. Mr. Pacheco, all of the documents that have been presented to the court are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review that with your client?
Yes, we have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Pacheco, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Pacheco, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand that you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez Pacheco, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Counsel, has your client had access to an immigration attorney?
Your Honor, we had advised him of immigration consequences previously, Monica Guerrero and myself. And he was brought in previously on a different court date so that Monica could speak with him. And he accepted an offer and gave Monica permission for me to do this in place of her. He understands those consequences and wishes to go forward.
All right, Mr. Martinez Pacheco, Did you understand by entering a plea and this cause number, it will have an impact on your immigration status?
Yes,
Did you understand that that impact could be deportation,
yes,
the denial of naturalization,
yes,
and the denial of re-entry into the United States?
yes,
And did your attorney speak to you about the consequences of the impact a plea in this case will have on your immigration status?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $600 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution, if any, to Marvin Tisa, Tisa. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
State,
Yes, Your Honor.
defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Marvin Tissa. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
yes,
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
We have, Your Honor.
And is the complainant aware of this agreement?
Your Honor, Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas, from our notes indicated that he did have a problem with the status agreement.
All right, thank you. All right, you may continue to confer. Mr. Martinez Pacheco, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it at all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask that you follow the plea bargain agreement. Prior to him being picked up in the Bexar County Jail, he was employed. He will need a payment plan for any fine, supervisory fees. However, he did indicate that he wishes to return to the address listed on the police report. And I had admonished him that he couldn't have any contact with Mr. Tiza.
Mhm.
Just so that the court's aware, he may not have a place to stay. His other relatives are living in Mexico. So he doesn't want to violate probation going to an address.
All right. Does he have an immigration hold or no?
He does not, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years deferred adjudication, a $600 fine. That'll be probated. There's to be no contact with Essex, ESSEX Street, San Antonio, Texas, 78210. There is to be no contact with Marvin It's listed in the plea bargain agreement as TISA, and the police report is TISTA. So there's to be no contact with Marvin Tisa or Tista. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Is he here legally?
My understanding, no, Your Honor.
All right. He is, I can't order deportation because this is state court, but he is not to come back to the United States unless he's here legally. So why do they not have for him to be deported if he's not here legally? All right, you're not allowed to be in the United States. That's a part of your probation. Probation, he's not here legally. He's not allowed to be in the United States. If he is here in the United States, then issue a motion to revoke. All right, so he's not allowed in the United States unless he's here legally. Field visits once a month until further notice. And I'm going to do a 180-day jail sanction. And that's to be day for day. And there's no credit for that. Anger management. Probation, is there anything else? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining, I'm sorry, there's also an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, before we go off the record.
Yes.
if You could perhaps hold one term in advance about his residency until there's perhaps violations
You mean about where he can't live?
about the residing in the US.
No, I mean, he's not here legally. If he's here legally, then of course I would do something different. But he's not, being in the United States illegally is a crime. And so he would be violating his probation. All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Statesman. All right.
Angel Martinez Pacho avoided a 20-year sentence, but he couldn't avoid the jail cell. 180 days, no credit for time served, and a strict warning never to return to the U.S. illegally. Was this a fair compromise for a deadly weapon assault, or did he get off too easy? Drop a comment below. Does no contest feel like justice to you?